Today we are going to see how unstructured data is indexed using Solr. Open SQL Server Management Studios. Connect to the default instance. As we can see, click on the database. Create another database like we have created all files, same as before. We will create a new query to check whether the data is been entered or not. First we will see the design. This is our design. Address and just var max. This will store the location of the files. Now create a new query. We will do the same process to check the database that we have any data or not in our table. Select start from files. This is our database name, table name. There are no data or the links stored in our table. We have created a software of our own, Solr, named as Solr. We can enter multiple file name as well as with their locations. We will just have to run the file solr.java. All the instructions are given inside our PPT. From there you can read and connect through it. Click on select a folder. Click on the button select folder. A dialog box will open and give you multiple options to select the folder from which we will extract the data. This is our folder from where we are extracting. Select. It will give a message that these files have been entered in our table. Now again execute. Yes. Now our data with location are being entered over here. Now same way we will do for the Solr 5.3 as we did before. You have to change some of the stuff. I have created a code my named as my config. Now we will change the same folder like Tika data config file, Solr config and schema. Open Tika data config file. These files are already present in PPT. You can extract from there and override the code. Same way changes would be done, but Tika data config file would be little bit different, and the schema file also. Same JDBC driver is to be installed. Same way, same process are done. Nothing is changed. Request handler is also been given over here. Now close Solr config file. You have to remember, after the dispatch handler, you have to write the request handler. Open the schema file. Only just one line is to be altered. Over here, location, field name, location, type, text general, and indexed as true. This is our Tika data config file. Now over here there are two data sources. One is bin file data source and another is JDBC data source. We will access both the data source to index these files. Now this is our data name all files. This is the query for writing with the table name files. These are all given in our PPT. These files are already entered. You can extract from there. Now we are set with our work. This is the table name from where we will extract the files. This is the entity name of data access. This will access the data within the files by writing $files.address. It will access the URL of the location. Close the SQL server. Our work is done. Now we will start Solr. Open command prompt. Start Solr by writing command Solr start, as we did before. We will again open Google Chrome or the relevant browser that you require. Now open Google Chrome. Now 8983 is our port number by default. You can change the port number by the command solr start /.p and with the port number. Localhost 8983 is to be written over here. All the things are same as we did before. Select the core. Our core name was my. Select the code. Click on it. Now we will check whether it's our code or not. So we are checking over here. Click on data import. Now select auto refresh. Select the entity. You have to select the file. This is our entity name. Execute. It will take time to fetch your all the data because it is fetching your data as well as your files, and it's indexing all the data within your files. So wait for some time. You can check whether all the files are been entered or not, or as well as processed. So that's why we are opening our SQL Server Management Studio. As we have done for only 66 files or something like 63, we can check it. it is taking about time of 1 minute and 4 seconds. More than that, it will take about 2 minutes. But if you are going to store more data, it will take more time. As they are listing over here, 77 data has been fetched and processed. 38. Just 3 more files to be indexed. Yes, so we have got our message that all the files are been indexed. We can check it whether we have all the files been indexed or not. Connect again the SQL server with your database. Now write a query for your table. Use all files. Now write select star from files and execute. Execute. So here we can see 67 files. Yes, we have successfully indexed all the files. Now again go to browser and we will do the same process. We will change the URL to browse. Write browse, after that press enter. We will able to see all the location of where the files are stored. Now just write a string. From there we can easily search all the datas. These are files which are been located. I am just finding a string from these PDFs to search. Over here I am selecting this string, Bartleby. Now go to the search and paste, submit. We will get the desired link from where the string is being indexed or not. Copy it. From the row only we can see the string. This is the PDF Bartley by the Scrivener. This is our PDF from where we have searched the string. Now there are further strings we can examples over there like Moby Dick and others. Same method we will do again. Thank you for watching this video.